Hello everyone, greetings everyone. Have you ever had this problem where you have dirty PVC pipe and you need to clean it but you don't have a power washer or a hose? Well, today we'll be doing an instructional video of how to clean PVC pipe for HVAC with nothing but soap, stone, water, and pure grit of man. Take a couple handfuls of stone, 1B stone by the way, and you'll load it into the PVC pipe. A couple handfuls, no. What this is going to do is it's going to grit and brush up against the dirt and wash it out when you do a hydraulic rotation. Then you take your all-purpose cleaner, shove it a little dump into here. Oh, too much. And water. Next step, water. Good clean water. And he have your other man block it on the other side so it doesn't all fall out the other side. Once it's secured, I like to do the rotation. You want the rocks to span the whole pipe and get a good solid bristle clean grip. Once it's clean, the soap does fall out the side. And now we just take another cleansing wash of water. You need to tilt it, hold it.
Oh shit.
Tilt it, hold it. Your other man has to tilt it, hold it, so the water doesn't escape off the side.
Oh.
And then you do another round of rotation. And this is going to clear out basically all the dirt, wash it, and get it mostly clean. Next step of the process is the drying method. And for this, this is a patented technique. You're free to use it. There's a string attached to a cloth. Send it through the whole span of the pipe. What this is going to do is going to soak up the remaining water and suds. String in first, so he can grab the string and pull it through tight. As much as you can by hand, cleaning out the remaining remnants of rock grit. And then we're going to tilt it down to him until the string pulls out to the other side. One more loop around, he's going to send it through to me. I'm going to pull it through, and then we're going to have a clean pipe by the end of this. If you could load it through. Quick string extractment. If the string would come out now, just right. Okay, strings come out.
Oh, that's good.
Pull the towel to the side, and we have got a clean pipe. Show it. I don't know if you can see it, but that's a clean pipe where it used to be dirty. And thanks for watching. That's been my method of how to clean dirty. You get dirty PVC pipes delivered, and you got to clean them out, but you don't have a pressure washer or a hose. You can employ this instructional method. Thanks for watching. Bye.